The last moments of Mr. Lê Xuân Kiều at his home. Tears welled up in the eyes of his wife and children when they bid their husband and father farewell. The last wish Mr. Kiều had was to donate his cornea to the blind, and all his family unanimously agreed.
Nếu mà cần thì mà qua đời là ông sẽ hiến tất.
He wished to donate something to others. Those who are still alive like me hope that this will spread the message to the whole community.
Giữa gia đình và cộng đồng càng lan tỏa.
On October 10th, 2019, Mr. Lê Xuân Kiều took his last breath. Receiving a phone call from Kiel's family, officials from the Central Eye Bank immediately set out. After nearly 2 hours, they arrived at the family home to fulfill Mr. Kiel's last wish. Mr. Kiel is not the first in his family to donate his corneas. His son, Major Lê Hải Ninh, donated all his tissue and organs to save lives and brings life to 2 blind people.
Ai mất đi rồi nhưng mà để lại cái gì đấy thì người thân có một cái động.
People who have died have left something behind to live on and are source of encouragement for their loved ones. It means part of them still exists in this world.
Đi làm công tác rồi là sinh hoạt.
One week later, Mr. Kiel's corneas were transplanted for 2 blind patients. Three days after surgery, light has returned to these patients after years of darkness.